Hey guys, what's going on? Of course, your girl is coming with another video. I did a twist out, a lazy chunky twist out. So if you'd like to see how I install them, then keep watching. Oh my god. Welcome back to my channel. So I was just laying my edges just before I start the video. So if you guys wanted to see how I lay my edges, make sure you check out the video. I'll link it in the description box or I'll include it in the cards. So I'll begin by unraveling my twist. My hair is fully dry. It's not the next day, it's the other day, so about 2 days. So I'll begin with the back. I always begin with the back. Not too bad, not too bad. My lazy twist out is pulling through. That's that. And I'm gonna separate. Not too bad, not too bad. Remember, I can't see the back, so let me know how the back looks. Let me show you in a second. I hope you can't see the parts. Let me know in the comments down below if I need to fluff up in the back some more. But I think this is the final result. I love it. I love it. My lazy twist out, my chunky twist, they actually work. And my hair still has a lot of definition. It's still nice and soft and fluffy. Amen to that. And my edges already laid. Alright you guys, so this is the final result. So chunky lazy twist does work using this product. So if you guys give it a try, let me know. Make sure you don't forget to hit up my Instagram. I post pictures there, post like how my hair look after the deep condition. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And remember, you are beautiful and you are loved. Bye.